Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPAQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another eventful day in this one in the bearish direction. First I'm going to do here is a little house cleaning, though. Just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, these lines all still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 1375 mark was considered an area of support, but with the price then breaking down below it right there, that now becomes an area of resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted consolidations and then returns back upwards, the big question now just becomes, can the price get back up above the 1375 mark? So as far as the price level, that's certainly going to be that main level and initial level to watch from the resistance side of things. Now, as far, actually, if the price, just in case this one explodes upwards, because this one does have a track record of moving pretty quickly, but in the event that 1375 price is broken, the next key area of resistance you'd want to then start to monitor would be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. You can actually see over the history of the chart, that one's been pretty stubborn, including this morning in terms of knocking down the price. So you'll want to keep a close eye on that too, but one hurdle at a time, and then again, that first hurdle being 1375. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, you're going to have to zoom down the chart here a little bit to offer up some more context. But next key level of support to watch moving forward, you're going to be right there at the 1325 mark, which is actually right where it bounced from today. And then you look back here and that had some consolidation. If 1325 doesn't quite hold up, then the next level of support after that would then be down there around the $12.80 mark. So overall, rough looking chart, especially when you factor in the gap and trap that occurred on Thursday, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.